Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: enough coins, unlocked towers, and raid access. First, verify you have 2,000 coins and 2 functional towers equipped. This ensures you can place early defenses. Once done, enter a raid-enabled lobby or host a private raid so you control pacing. Then, slot a rapid-fire primary tower and 1 support item to boost damage output. These steps start the encounter properly. Because early pressure determines if the crate spawn window. You now focus on the core execution, keeping wave control while maximizing spawn meter. During waves, hold enemies just long enough so the raid progress reaches roughly 3/4. This timing makes the crate spawn eligible. Simultaneously, prioritize DPS on minibosses because they contribute disproportionately to the crate meter. Make sure to use damage buffs and support abilities exactly at wave transitions to stack meter gains. Doing this balances survival with meter push, which is why precise timing matters for crate eligibility. You finish by sealing the final wave and capturing the crate when it appears. In the last phase, concentrate fire to eliminate threats without allowing leaks. This preserves eligibility for the crate spawn. When the crate drops, move quickly to pick it up before it despawns or enemies block access. If the crate does not appear, restart and alter your timing. Slow early waves more or burst minibosses later so the spawn meter aligns with the final wave. That troubleshooting tweak fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.